Converting time zones. We are planning an online meeting for our Geeks on Tour members on this coming Tuesday at 7 p.m. And a lot of people say, well, I never figure that right. When is that my time? So I want to show you a little tip. And all I'm going to do is ask Google. So I'm going to do it first on my Android phone, my Samsung. Hey, Google, convert 7 p.m. Miami time to Los Angeles.
4 p.m. Sunday in Los Angeles, California.
All right. So it is just converting 7 o'clock today. Now, watch this. Hey, Google.
Hold my beer.
Convert 7 p.m. Miami time to Auckland, New Zealand.
11 a.m. Monday in Auckland, New Zealand.
So it even lets you know not just the time of day, but the day. So it's 7 o'clock tonight would be 11 tomorrow in New Zealand. Okay, so that's Google on an Android phone. Now let's try Siri on an iPhone. Hey Siri, convert 7 p.m. Miami time to Los Angeles.
Okay, I found this on the web for convert 7 p.m. Miami time to Los Angeles. Check it out.
Huh.
Nowhere near as helpful. Let me just try the other one. Hey Siri, convert 7 p.m. Miami time to Auckland, New Zealand.
Okay, I found this on the web for convert 7 p.m. Miami time to Auckland, New Zealand. Check it out.
Well, I guess we could figure it out from there, but I really like the way Google does it a lot better. So if you have an iPhone and you want to use Google, no problem. It's that icon right there. That is the Google search and assistant. So the only thing I can't do is I can't say, hey, Google.
Well, you can.
Oh, you can. Convert 7 p.m. Miami to Los Angeles.
4 p.m. Sunday in Los Angeles, California.
Okay. So that is my tip this week, is use your Google search assistant to convert time zones.